Let's develop a better understanding of keywords. When Amazon customers are searching for products, they type words or phrases, called shopping queries, into the search bar on the Amazon website or app. Keywords are word combinations and phrases you bid on to match those shopping queries with the products you sell. When creating a campaign, you have the opportunity to choose keywords and associate them with ad groups. And the keywords will apply to all products in that group. Keywords are available for sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored brands video campaigns. So, how do keywords help match your products to a customer's Amazon search results? Suppose a customer searches for shoes. That's great, you chose shoes as one of your keywords because you sell shoes. But so do your competitors. Adding additional keywords matches your product more closely to a customer's specific shopping query. You can also use negative keywords to prevent your ads from displaying when a customer's shopping query matches your negative keywords. For sponsored products, Amazon matches your keywords to a shopper's query to display ads for the products you advertise. For sponsored brands, Amazon matches your keywords to a shopper's query and displays the branded headline and advertised products in your campaign.